Good morning. We get a lot of questions about hooking up a hose bib to wash your car with soft water, possibly wash your RV with soft water, and now we're also getting requests to put on a hose bib, if you will, for people who got motor homes that want soft water in their tank when they're traveling. And this is easy. We can do it either when we're installing the unit, or we can come back if you've bought a motor home or decide you want to do something different. It's a pretty easy add-on. What we'll do is the water will be coming in hard, going through the system and coming out this pipe is soft. So what we will do is we'll come out to the house and we'll install a hose bib on a T that will go between here and this valve and this tube right there. And this will be your soft water hose bib. You turn it on and off just like a regular hose bib out of the side of the house, but this will be soft, so you can wash your vehicles, fill up the RV tank, wash the RV, or whatever you would like to do with soft water right in the garage on the spigot there. Because remember, your outside hose bibs on the house are all hard water. So if you wash the car with hard water, you'll probably get the spots. And if you wash the RV, it takes hours and hours. You probably don't want it all spotted. So a lot of people now are asking for this as an add-on, and we can take care of it for you very easily. Again, do it at installation or do it afterwards, whatever you prefer. We also get another question asking, is there a downside for putting this on the soft water side? In other words, will I run out of soft water, or is it too much water to go through the system? And the short answer is no, it shouldn't bother anything. On the control valve, it will tell you how many gallons remaining. So again, on that screen, every 10-15 seconds, it changes parameters. Remember, you open the top, you press either one of these buttons, you get the bright blue screen, and you can either wait or you can hit the next button, and it will tell you how many gallons are remaining. And this has 1,000 gallons remaining. So if I do decide I want to wash the vehicle or fill up the tank or anything else, 1,000 gallons is a lot of water. You're probably only going to use maybe a couple of hundred gallons at the most to do what you're doing with this bib. If you're just washing the car, you probably use 50 gallons at the most. Washing an RV, maybe double. Filling up RV tanks, depending how big the tanks are. So what you could do if you wanted to was, if you looked at this number and it said it was down to 50 gallons and you think you're going to use more soft water out of this hose bib that's added than is remaining on this screen, you might want to wait one day, let it regenerate that evening so that you have 1,000 gallons of capacity left, so that you don't get any hard water bleed through into your tanks or while you're washing your vehicle. Hopefully that answers the question.